We're out at 201 Pineview Road in Pagosa Springs, Colorado. This is 5 acres, HOA free with central water, has a brand new septic and custom built cabin. We're only about 2 miles away from the core or area of Pagosa, right in the town for anything and everything. And we are right down the road from Echo Lake as well. Tons of wildlife, total privacy. It's all set up with an RV hookup and clean out. Now, plenty of room to build a much larger home and maybe use the existing cabin for guests or whatever else you can think of. Huge mountain views, as you can see, and let's take a walk around the cabin. All right, come see this very special place for yourself. You won't want to leave.